Have you ever noticed how big brands use smooth animated logos that instantly grab attention? Those few seconds of animation can make a business look professional, trustworthy, and high-end. Now imagine creating that same cinematic animation for any logo in less than 30 seconds, with no design or editing skills. That is exactly what the new Tool AI Logo Suite claims to do. And today we will find out how powerful it really is. For years, logo animation was something only agencies or professional designers could handle. They used complex software like After Effects or Blender, charged $200 to $500 per project, and took days to deliver results. Small business owners, like photographers, salons, and local shops, either could not afford it or simply stayed with static logos. And freelancers who wanted to offer animated logos had to either outsource the work or spend hours learning design tools. So the opportunity was there, but the barrier was too high. AI Logo Suite enters the market with one bold promise: to break that barrier completely. AI Logo Suite is an AI-powered platform that lets you upload any logo and turn it into a cinematic animation automatically. You do not need to know design, motion graphics, or editing. Just upload the logo, choose a template, and in a few clicks, the software animates it in full HD, ready to use for videos, websites, or client projects. It is marketed as the world's first AI-driven logo animation and selling app, which means you can not only create animations but also sell them to clients directly inside the platform. Here is how it works in simple steps. Step 1. Upload your static logo or choose one from the built-in logo library. Step 2. Pick an animation style from hundreds of templates, from elegant cinematic reveals to modern digital intros. Step 3. Click one button, and the AI generates the full animated logo instantly. Step 4. Export it in high quality, including 4K and transparent background options. Step 5. If you want to sell it, the built-in Client Finder AI scans for local businesses still using static logos and helps you contact them with ready-made previews. That last feature is something very few design tools offer. It is like having a small marketing assistant built inside the app. Main features and benefits. The platform claims to include a large library of over 300 animation templates for every niche: business, fitness, wedding, travel, and more. Full cloud-based dashboard, so you can work from any device. Real-time preview before exporting, which helps you tweak animations instantly. Commercial license included, meaning you keep 100% profit from anything you sell. Plus, several bonus packs, like 4,500 graphics, 5,000 vertical video templates, and 3,000 ChatGPT prompts for creatives. In short, it combines design automation, client discovery, and business monetization into one single platform. Now, let us talk about the make money angle, the part most people care about. Can you really earn by selling animated logos created with this tool? The answer depends on how you use it. Freelancers on Fiverr or Upwork currently charge anywhere from $50 to $250 for a single logo animation. Agencies charge more, sometimes $500 per project when packaged with branding or video intros. If you use AI Logo Suite, you can produce these animations in minutes and undercut the competition while keeping solid profit margins. Even if you sell just 10 animations a month at $50 each, that is $500, and the platform promises lifetime access for a one-time payment. For video creators, marketers, and local agencies, this can also be a quick way to add animated logo intros as a new service. Pros and cons. Let us be real, no tool is perfect, and AI Logo Suite is no exception. The pros: very beginner-friendly, fast rendering and automation, excellent template variety, built-in client finder that adds extra business value, commercial rights included at no extra cost. The cons: some templates may look similar or require manual tweaking for premium quality. The client finder sounds impressive, but it is not truly automatic. You still need to reach out manually to close deals. Like many one-time tools, future template updates may depend on the vendor's ongoing support. However, for its one-time price, the features still make it an attractive deal, especially for freelancers or small agencies. Pricing and bonuses. According to the live page, AI Logo Suite replaces tools that charge $397 per month with a single one-time fee. It also includes a 30-day risk-free guarantee, so users can test it without worry. Along with that, you get multiple bonus resources, including design packs and marketing materials, which add real value for those who plan to resell. In short, even one paying client could cover the entire cost of the software. Who should use it? AI Logo Suite is ideal for freelancers who want to add logo animation as a new service, agencies looking to deliver quick branding assets to clients, entrepreneurs who run YouTube channels, courses, or personal brands, local businesses who want modern intros for their ads or social media content. If your goal is to save time, cut design costs, and still deliver premium-looking animations, this tool fits that purpose. So here is my final take on AI Logo Suite. It is not just another flashy AI tool. It is a practical solution for anyone who wants to turn simple logos into eye-catching cinematic animations without spending hours designing or editing. Whether you are a freelancer, content creator, or small business owner, this platform gives you everything you need to make your brand look professional, fast. Sure, it has a few limitations, but considering the one-time price, the commercial license, and the business potential it unlocks, AI Logo Suite is absolutely worth it. Even creating and selling a few animations could easily cover your investment and turn it into a consistent side income. If you want to check it out yourself, I have added the official link in the description below. Click it, watch the live demo, and see how powerful this tool really is. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews on AI tools that help you make money online. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.